If you also love making handmade cards for your loved ones and are looking for some cute, easy and unique handmade card ideas, I got you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 Pinterest inspired cute handmade card ideas that you can easily recreate at home using some basic art and craft supplies. I'm really excited to show you how these turned out. So grab your craft supplies, get comfy, and let's start creating. Our first DIY card is a cute slider card. I'm using ivory paper to make the card. You'll need a cutter for this. If you don't have one, here's a quick tutorial for a DIY cutter. Mark a box because this is where we'll be writing the message. Once you're done, we'll decorate all the elements. Now we'll move on to making the two cutout. One is a cake and the other one is a little girl blowing the candle. Cut it out. I'm using a double-sided tape for this. Observe carefully. Apply tape on these 3 sides only. Turn it around. Stick it. For the slider mechanism, I'm using a paper strip. Now place the cake on the card using a double-sided tape. As for this, we'll have to place on the paper strip. Pull the paper strip. Now estimate where you exactly want to place it. Apply the double-sided tape and we'll place the girl here. And that's it. Our slider mechanism is ready. Now we'll add further details like cute little message. And that's it. Our cute slider card is ready. You can write a secret little message inside and it's a cute surprise. Moving on to our next card, we'll be making this cute teddy pop-up card. I'm using a normal paper to make the teddy, so observe the pop-up mechanism carefully. And that's it. Now you can draw anything you want here. I'm drawing a teddy bear. You can draw a penguin, cute cat, anything that you like. Once you're done, cut it out. So we'll now decorate the card. I'm using some simple pattern, cute doodles. Once you're done, we'll actually glue the teddy onto the card. The pop-up works. Recently made a Friendship Day card, something similar. In that, I actually glued the friendship band. If you have a small chain or bracelet as a gift, you can actually attach it. Or you can also write some message there. Do not cut here. You can attach it using glue or sellotape. And that's it. It's so cute. You can add further details like birthday messages. I have a few birthday related cutouts that I made. I'm sticking them using a double-sided tape. It gives that 3D effect. And here's the final look. This is so cute. So here's another pop-up card. It's a little different. So we need 2 paper, one for the base, the other for the cake pop-up. As for the base, you can customize it according to your liking with cute patterns, doodles, anything that you like. I'm making a classic checks pattern here and adding some cutout that I made. Now for the cake pop-up, observe this carefully. Cut it as shown, fold it and open this and you can see you got the first layer of the cake. Now second layer, observe very carefully. You see 2 of these, only on the top part you're supposed to cut. Don't cut the bottom part. Fold it and you have the second layer of the cake and repeat the same process for the top layer also. Once you're done, you can decorate the cake as you like. I'm adding some cute birthday messages and some cutouts. You can always personalize it. Now we'll glue on this cake pop-up onto the base. Aesthetic Cute Handmade Card is ready. Moving on to our next handmade card idea. It's a set of mini cards. I'm using ivory paper to make the cards. First card is a cute candle card. First, let's make the base. Now as for the candle, on one side we'll make the pattern, on the other side we'll write the message. You can use whatever you have like a pencil or anything to roll the paper. No need to apply any glue or sellotape. Now on the base, make a 1 cm strip, cut it as shown and just place the rolled candle, and that's it. Add further details that you like. Just open this. It's a cute message. You can roll it back and place it again. This is such a unique card idea. Our next card is super easy to make. All you have to do is take the paint, apply it on your finger and make a cute little heart as shown. Add any details or message that you like. And that's it. This is our next card. So we'll have the base first. So we'll be making this cute little envelope. Follow the steps carefully. Once you're done, place it on the base as shown. Add cute little message, details, anything that you like. You can also write a small message and place it inside the envelope. And here's the final look. Moving on to our next card. The theme of this card is music. You can write the lyrics of the favorite song and add any doodles or art related to that. And that's it. Our last mini card idea is a puzzle. To make the puzzle pieces, follow the step. And once you're done, we'll place it on the base using a double-sided tape and add any message that you like. Here are our 5 mini card ideas. These are super easy to make. They're so unique and cute. Last but definitely not the least, we'll be making this cute scrapbook style birthday card. We'll be using a very big paper. This will be our base. Fold it as shown. Decorate the front any way you like. You can use pattern paper, decorate it yourself. We'll start making elements one by one. Crushing this gives a little texture. Write a detailed birthday message. This is a small calendar card highlighting the birth date. We'll now place it on the base. Moving on to our next element. It's a cute flower bouquet. Cut it as shown. Fold it. And our bouquet is ready. We'll just color this and make cute little paper flowers. Here's a little background. We'll glue the bouquet and add the flowers. They look so pretty. Moving on to other elements. We're making this cute heart card. Do not cut this part. And we have this heart card. You can draw patterns, decorate it as you like. I've written a message on the inside. On this side you can actually add a photo, and that's it. It looks so cute. We are making an envelope element here. Fold it as shown. The envelope is ready. Take a strip like this, divide into 5 parts. On each of this, we'll add a cute little message. Once you're done, you can add further details. Fold it. Now glue the base of this onto the envelope as shown. And that's it. Now we'll add this onto the base, cute little envelope and the heart card. I also made this happy birthday banner and this cute birthday theme art. As for the empty spaces here, you can actually draw, add some stickers or photos, anything that you like. I have made birthday themed doodle art here and add it onto the base using a double-sided tape. Like I mentioned before, it gives this whole 3D look. Here's a final look. It looks so pretty. Each element is so unique. The best part is that you can get creative with this. There are no rules. Now, I'm using a satin tape here. Place it like this. Now place the card and I'm tying this just like a shoelace. Adjust it a little. If you want, you can also attach a tape here. It's optional. I'm also not doing that. Let's open this. This looks so aesthetic. So here's everything that we made today. Cake pop-up card, cutest teddy bear pop-up card, a cute slider card, set of cute mini cards, scrapbook card. I make cute DIY art and craft from room decor, desk decor, paper craft, journaling, handmade gifts, and a lot more. So if that's your cup of tea, subscribe for more. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Bye.